Hello guys, how are you? And welcome to my show. And today we're gonna make a bird with the dough. So here I have some ingredients which we are not gonna use. If we need, we are gonna use. So let's put it away from us. If we make that, it will not hurt us. So first we're gonna make this dough like a ball. Then we're gonna press it. Then we're gonna do like this. Do it nicely and do it slow and steady. Just made it. Now we are gonna just do some pieces of it. So first you do like this, then you cut the pieces like this. Done. So let's start baking it. If we need that something is wrong or like that, so we are gonna just do it like that. So let's start. We're making it small pieces. Then so it's done, and now we are gonna make some head of it. See, this much I'm gonna show here. Just like oval shape, and just tap it down that it can stand. Then on it you're gonna keep this. Then we're gonna make something for it. Just roll it. Then after we're gonna just put this like this and two like this. Then you remove. Make it circle, then leave it alone. After we are gonna make a beak, so for that I need this like this. So you make it like this, and then you just tap on it. Then we're gonna show the bird. I'm gonna show you the bird right here. Put the beak and the eyes. So here you can see the bird over here, and it's so cute. Actually, he can stand, so we're not making a leg of it. Let's do it a little bit faster. This is the wings. I think it's a crow. It's a bird, I don't know. Just do like this again and make like this. Oh, sticky. Or you can take like this. So you can see the tail. Kitty, come on. Baby, are you good?
It's not a cat. It is not a parrot. It is a
bird.
not a bird even. A crow.
Caw, caw. So thank you guys for watching my video, and he wanted to say something. Thank you guys to see my video, and please like and subscribe my channel. Bye guys.